Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk, where learning English is simple and relaxing. I'm Rahul.
And I'm Emma. It's so nice to be here with you today, Rahul. How are you feeling this morning?
I'm feeling fresh and positive, Emma. Mornings are my favorite time of the day. What about you?
I feel good too, Rahul. A good morning routine helps me start the day with energy. And today's topic is all about morning routines.
Yes, morning routines are the small habits we do every morning after we wake up. They help us feel organized and calm.
That's right. Before we begin, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Easy English Talk.
Your support really helps us. So, Emma, let me ask you, what is the first thing you do after you wake up?
The first thing I do is stretch my body. I like to stretch my arms and legs slowly. It helps me feel awake.
That sounds nice. I usually drink a glass of water first. It helps my body feel fresh after sleeping.
That's a healthy habit, Rahul. After stretching, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Same here. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and then I take a shower. A shower helps me feel active and ready for the day.
Yes, a shower can really wake you up. After that, I like to spend a few quiet minutes. I sit near the window and breathe deeply.
That's a peaceful routine. I like to check my phone, but only for a short time. I don't want to start my day feeling stressed.
That's very important. Too much phone time in the morning can make us feel tired. After that, I prepare breakfast.
Me too. Breakfast is very important. I usually eat simple food like fruits, eggs, or bread.
I enjoy a light breakfast as well. Sometimes I make tea or coffee and drink it slowly. It's a calm moment for me.
I like coffee too. While drinking coffee, I plan my day. I think about what I need to do and what is most important.
Planning the day is a great habit. It helps us use our time better and feel confident.
Yes. After breakfast, I get dressed and prepare for work. I like to keep my morning routine simple and clean.
Same here. A simple routine is easier to follow every day. It helps us stay consistent.
Exactly. Everyone's morning routine is different, and that's okay. The goal is to feel good and ready.
Now, let's practice some useful vocabulary from today's conversation.
Word 1. Routine. A routine is something you do every day. Example, my morning routine starts at 6 a.m.
Word 2. Stretch. Stretch means to move your body gently. Example, I stretch my arms in the morning.
Word 3. Fresh means clean and full of energy. Example, I feel fresh after a shower.
Word 4. Prepare means to get ready. Example, I prepare my breakfast every morning.
Word 5. Plan means to think about what you will do. Example, I plan my day after breakfast.
Now it's your turn.
What is one thing you always do in the morning?
Write your answer in the comments. Try to use simple English.
Thank you so much for listening to Easy English Talk.
We hope you enjoyed learning English with us today.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next episode.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.